Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? Today is the English stream. Are you guys happy? Posted. Okay, the stream started. I'm too nervous because I'm kinda rusty on my English and I kinda rusty on hackerling. I think I have 1 month who I don't do any edit code, any challenge, programming challenging. So it's it's kind of weird. I'm really trying everything I can today. I will try everything I can. But how are you guys? Good night. Oh, about the subtitles. Um, they are in real time generating. So if it's more confusing, then like it's not helping, it's getting more confusing. So tell me, I will turn off. I think this will. Uh, I I I I put the subtitles because I think some people don't know how to listen the English but know how to read it. But the how I can say that? Sorry. Um, but the first idea was translate everything, but the translation of this plugin is not that good, so will be a very bad thing to put on. So I tried to do this way, like it's literally subtitling what I saying, but it's kinda awkward sometimes. Don't get my pronunciation because I'm not fluent. I'm kinda intermediary, advanced, something like that. So maybe can bug a little bit. To disable this, okay. This is disabled. You guys think that this is better? Okay. So today is a really special day. Yeah, okay. Today is a really special day. It's the 1K special live stream. So I really appreciate it if who knows English help the other guys, the other people who is not understanding anything, and if someone new appears, uh, well, just say today. Normally the streams is in Portuguese. I will I will say to you guys how this ring goes work today. But first, hello Dante, hello CJ, how are you? How are you today? Hello Mateus, hello Horaxus, hello. How are you? Good night. How are you? So, press degree. He says this not going to appear at first because he's busy, but sometimes I think later on stream he appears. Why you change the way you pronounce my name? Oh, it's because my brain don't work too much well when I speak in English, so I just pronunciate how I how I read it. Sorry, sorry. So this stream today will be the challenges who I didn't solve it. Never on my life. And the why we are talking English here? Because sometimes you need to do an interview for some company who speak English only, even if you will work in a Portuguese team, a Brazilian team. So that's the why the stream today is totally English. Will be some rules here. So the first one I can use Excel my own IDA, IDE, IDE to solve the codes if if I need to. I can read any documentations, but I can't use GPT. I can use Stack Overflow sometimes, but uh, I will try to not use it. If the thing gets really bad, I can call someone on Discord to help me, but the person who I called will need to talk English too. So this will be fun if I need to call someone. Wait, what happens on the chat? What happened on the chat? Let me see. Oh, okay. What the bro? What the fuck? Okay. Hello, Nisha. Hello, how are you? You guys can talk in English or Portuguese, but I prefer English if you can. So let's go start the stream properly with the first challenge. I'm too much scared to start. Hello Magnus. How was your day? How was your day? Hello. Today is a cringe stream. It's gonna be the best live ever. I don't think so. I'm too much nervous here. My English is rusty. My coding skills is rusty. I'm really nervous. I don't know what to do. It was pretty okay. Oh, Auri, Auri, hi. Oh, let's go. London integer. Given an array of integers where all elements but one occurs twice, find the unique element. The unique element is 4 because on this array you can see the have 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3 in any order. Can be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4 lonely, but always will be have 1 and just 1 integer, I think, will be lonely. Let me see. Completed lonely integer function and the below enter below. Okay, it's not on below, but this one we need to complete this. Okay. Okay, it's just one. The the function is returning just one lint, not an array. Okay, it's easier than I think it. Than fault. I can't pronounce it this. Um, we are receiving a list of integer. We can do this in a lot of ways. can use can use a map. Think about it. Bro, my mind just got blinked. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to code. What I do now? Ah, okay. Let's try this. Mm. First, we need to get in integers who is duplicated and eliminated day. But how we can do this? How we can do this? Let me see the chat for I need to think a little bit about this. It was pretty okay. I did some new things on my college project. Oh, now the user can delete his own profile. Good. Congratulations. Just be aware. Just test if other other users can delete the other profiles too. Just test this to make sure. Hello. Uh, hello, Matthias. It's not um it's not oh, it's a Brazilian channel. Okay, I just speak in English today. It's a special day, so I speak English to you guys. Hello, Churrasco. How are you? It's a full English. No, it's it's not that. It's not that, Magnus. It's not that. It's just English. We are simulating a English interview in here, so we need to talk or process how we are thinking in English. It's just that. It's not. It's just a special day. It's a genius. It's not. It's not that. It's not. I'm not trying to get some dollars. I'm not trying to.
I love your life mandou R$1. Are
Oh,
you the
frick.
budget? Because every time you're around, you fix all my horse.
What the? Let me hold on. Hold on. Let me see this. Let me pronounce this properly. properly. What the? Okay. Thank you for one help. Are you a debugger? Because every time you're around, you fix all my errors. Oh, it's it's cute. So anyone knows how to solve this? I'm thinking like we have this array. We have like um 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if we do a for, will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to put this on somewhere and compare it to another one. Like we need to have complicated and simple and lonely. Oh, we can do this. We can do this. We can totally do this. Hold on. Wait a minute. No, we need two ones. We need two ones. So lonely won't push. I don't know if this push, but we do this like for each one. Then when we get to the third, we'll need to lonely remove. I don't know. 3. I don't know the thing, but we're just talking and scanning around here. It's not coded yet. So we're going to lonely remove and going to duplicated push dot 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 push. This way we can see the lonely one because it's the unique one will be on the lonely and not on the duplicated. Or we can just don't remove on the lonely and compare which one is not on the duplicated one. We can do this too, but I don't think this will be the best way. We can try this. So what do we need to do? We need to do a list or a map, whatever. We can do a map. Nice map. Lonely. Linked. New. I think this. Ah, wait. Let's go to the list one. Quick. Let's use the well done thing. So Java map. Linked hash set. Linked hash set. Think. Linked hash set. Linked hash set. No, it's not that. Set. let me see the chat before I get back to code. They can? What they can? You're front, you're right, you're behind. Where is the worst chickboard? What? The worst? No, the worst chickboard in this live. I don't know. Where is chickboard on the stream? So cute. I'm not kidding. Your English is very cute. It's not. Why Hacker Hank not lit code? Because Hacker Hank is the preparation interview list of exercises, and I started on Hacker Hank too. I think it's more comfy to code there. Okay, Dante. I can't pronounce it. Your name, bro. What the? Okay. I don't remember how to do this. Okay. Don't remember. Not this? It's not how I do it. So, if duplicated integers contains the number where we're trying to see if it's a unique number, we just continue, we don't do anything. If lone integer contains the number we're trying to see if it is a unique, we need to remove from lonely integers. First, we need to duplicate that integers add a get. We can do this. We can do this thing. an integer, so integer just to be more cleaner. Bro, why I'm trying to save the code? Let's just get the size first. I just want to see this one first. If this will work. Not return, okay. I don't remember how to return this. Hello MK, how are you? Oh, oh, someone knows how I can return just the integer? Don't remember how to do this. I think like that. No. I am talking English. I'm talking English. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me see the chat. Oh, Both have almost the same exercise, but lead code has second and L, but lead code don't have autocomplete. Just do as other people in Portuguese and comment. Diff. Way easier don't ya? Think. Diff. What do you mean with diff? Bro, I totally don't remember how to return a set. Oh, it's this one who I want to. This will run our error, yeah. Nah, I don't, I don't think this will work. Oh no, this will not work. Oh, that worked. That worked. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, this code is very, very bad. This code but worked. The logic is here. The logic is here. Bro. But worked, but is not the best way to do this. Totally not. Wait, what? This is totally not the best way to do this. Someone know how to solve this and want to solve this in English for us? Hello, Lucas. Hello, hello. Thank you. Thank you. How are you? How was your how how is your day going? How is going your day? I, I, I'm too happy. I don't know how to speak English anymore. So I will explain the logic here. It's kind of this, but I will show the on the code. So what we need to do, we have array who look it's not an array, but yeah, it's array. We have an array of integers. In this case, it's a list of integer, and we need to get the unique int. Always have just one unique int integer. Is that that um we that's the important thing to know. Only have one unique, so you can do the logic thinking. Have just one. This will simplify to you. So what I think to do here, what I did here, I set two variables to set who is a list but is a unique list, so we don't have a lot of same numbers on the list. Don't need that. Will be more heavy to iterate over. So we want a unique list because it's just what we need. And we need you just need have one or more from the integers. So we have two here. One for the lonely integers, and the other one is from duplicated integers. Maybe we can do this with just one, but I don't know. My brain is not. My brain don't find a way to do this with just one list. I did with two. So I did a normal for, and I get the current number we are searching for. If this is the number is the unique one, and we go to opposite way the the normal because to we can just forget the other things. So we are going to the reverse way here from the logic. So with there the number is duplicated, we don't do anything, we just continue. Let me ident here. So if it's not the duplicated one, is not on the duplicated list, we will search on the lonely list. And here we can use just if without else, but just so we use the if and else if. I don't know why. We can totally do this without as else. like I don't know if this is better, but whatever. So we are trying to find the number on the lonely integers because maybe he is there, maybe before this one has just one and he is on the lonely integers and he will not be lonely anymore, so we remove it. But before I remove it, we just add on the duplicated. Why do we need to add on the duplicated? Because if we remove here from the lonely integers, um, somehow have more than two, like have three here, have three trees here. This one will be a unique one on the code because he don't know already have two trees. So that's why we use the two lists to compare. That's the why. So we add on the duplicated one and remove from the lonely because he is not lonely anymore. And we just continue. For real, we don't need this, but again, just to make sure. And if he is not on the duplicated one and not on the lonely ones, we just go and add on the lonely one because for now he's lonely. For now he's the unique one. There. Okay, we will do this so when on the end of the iteration we will have just one number. That's why the information is important. The information who is have only one, who is one and one number is unique on the array because we know will be just one here. So what I did, I declared it unique int. I did a for because I don't know how to get the first one. I don't know how to do this on lonely integers. Want to get first. I don't have this. Don't have get first. I don't know why. Array can do this. Array get. Hold on. We can do this. No, we can't. That. Yeah, I don't know how to do this without the for. I don't know. I don't know. I just did the for because that's how I know how I, that's the only way I know to iterate to get the unique number. And we just return the int. Anyone have any question here or can solve this in a proper way? A better way than that? I know have ones, but I don't remember how to do this on Java. Well, let's move to the next one. I will try to submit again. That's not working. Oh, we did it. That's all matter. Diagonal difference. Let's see this one. Holy frick. Bro. Okay, okay. I kinda know how to do this, but this is hard one. This is a hard one for me. Bro. I can skip this one. Can I skip this one? Please. Given a square matrix, calculate the absolute difference between the sums of its diagonals. For example, this square matrix array is shown below. So it's 3, 5, and 9. To the left to right diagonal is 1 plus 5 plus 9 was 15. And the left diagonal is 3 plus 5 plus 9 was 17. Their absolute difference is 2 because it's absolute. We don't want the negative ones. Don't matter the side we get the difference. This don't matter. We just need the absolute difference between one and other. So we'll have we will have int array n and m. What? Input format. The first line contains a single integer, the number of rows and columns in the square matrix. Each of the next n lines consists, okay. Absolute difference between the sums. Okay, he's saying we will have the tree first, like the number first, will length, how much lines after this integer will have, but we don't need to know this because they are write it to us this part. We just need to get the list of integer, list of integer, and go to and add the diagonals, both diagonals, and then get the result of the sum and subtract. That's what we need to do here. So the first thing we need to do is to add the diagonals. how we can do this. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. So it sounds alright, but looks hard. Yeah. Frick. Okay. Why are why are we talking writing English, guys? It's because it's a special stream today. It's 1K sub stream. We are waiting this for all the week. So it's an English stream only. It's not only, you can talk Portuguese if you want to. But we are simulating here an English interview, English lit code interview, but it's not lit code, it's Hacker Inc. um, just to we see a little how to solve challenges and speak English at the same time. It's kinda hard to do this. You need to process and English and logic. It's kinda hard. I'm really trying my best here, but you know, it's not that easy. Thank you, cows. Chaos. So now we need to do is I less than I less than font size. It's not font, it's dot size. I plus plus, and then we need to do this again. You will see why you need to do this. Don't worry. Don't worry. But this time it's the other letter who I don't know how to pronounce it. We can do this like this is the line or is this is the column. This is the column and this is the line, I think. Probably. So this is the column one, this is the line one, and what we need to do here is left sum. Wait, this is the int. Left sum equals 0. And right sum. I don't know if I did right. Okay. So, what do you need to do now? I don't know. What do you need to do? um, 0 2. No, it's not. 0 1 2. I think this is right. I don't know. Maybe we will see later. So what you need to do now is the array, but get call. We can't do this. Oh, we can do this. Let me see. Okay. It's it's not the it's not the not this is not right. Think. Oh, it's right. Okay. Let's see now the reverse one. Okay, after this thing we will try to make it better because um 4 fours it's not that good. It's not that good. Just we get the logic here and then we try to polish. Hello, hello Junior. How are you? I was doing lit code exercise today too. Oh, nice. Been doing a lot about linked lists, stacks, and queries. Oh, nice. Diagonal principle has columns. Ah, okay. Diagonal. Yeah, yes, the same. I was, I was. Hello, good night, guys. How your day is going? can do this reverse way, but I don't want to. So will be array size. Okay. This will be hard. Is going to be here, and then this one. Yes. Let's try this. It's not this. It's not this. Joe. Freaking works the other way. I don't know. Not this. Pick. Hello Matthew, how are you? Okay, we can do this, João. It's not plus plus, it's not plus plus, is fine. I'm messing up here, sorry. Line plus call equal line. Boom. not right. It's not working this way. I don't know. I don't know if this is this is working or not. No, it's not working at all. Frick. I need to drown this. Thank you, Leonardo. Leonardo, fan. Thank you so much. How was your day? Good night, good night. I'm fine, and you? Um, what? What, Junior? I don't get it. What the? Why? Oh, okay, I get it now. But I think this will not work because we need to see the left and the right ones. It will be like 0, 0, 0, 0 is not the thing we need. Okay, let me drown this. Let me drown this. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the index. Ah, I think I get it now. I think I get it. So 0 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 is 8. Don't. So here is right. Why it's not? Why it's not working? Hmm. First one's right, and then we get it. What? What the? Oh, I see now. You know, was it 4-4? We don't need this. Don't need this one. Totally don't need this one. I was saying the wrong thing. This one's 1-1. This one is the one who we needed. I think. No, maybe. I think we don't need this. Don't need this. Let's see. Okay. I did something wrong here. What I did wrong here? Oh, okay, okay. It's +1. It's not working too. Frick. Yeah, maybe I need the four. Four. Let's try it this way. This is not working. This is not the. It's not how we do this. This is the. All. 6. Zero. 1, 2. This one's the. Bro, my internet's totally off. Guys, you guys are okay. You can watch my stream. It's working because my internet just goes bruh when I was trying to fix how to do this. So the first one is 0 0. Now the next one is 1 and 1. Now is the 2 and 2. Okay. Easier than think it. Like it a bit, but it's fine. Oh, nice. I can do anything on the rocker rank. You can. It's just practicing. I wish it had a really simple exercise at the beginning, but you can do on hacker rank and do the Java thing. They will teach you how to do the exercise. They will literally send to you the link of the documentation, the docs, and you can see the docs and resolve the problem. It's not that hard. So it's way simple than thought, than I think it. Way simple. My brain just gets confused. So let's go in this again. We need to do both, but it's way easier. So on the first one, we just need to 1 for. Don't need both 2 fors. Just go here and do this. Really? That's it. Let's try this one first. Oh. just go here and do the reverse thing.
Cienio Nath aqui mandou R$5. My code is perfectly compiled.
Bro! It's pra. Pra. Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you for the R$5. No problem, the fra. I don't know how to pronounce. My code is perfect. Perfect. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. Meow. Meow. Oh, sorry about that. I don't remember how to reverse this thing. I think is equals. Yeah, I think it is this way. This one is not this one. Why this is going again? Wait. Wait. There is a better way to do that, I guess. Okay, I think I did it. I think I did it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It's way simpler. It's way simpler. Oh, frick. That's why I really like scaling around. Look at this perfection. Look at this. Oh, guys. So fun to solve this thing. Hello, Linux Black. How are you? How your day is going on? Is going? Hello, where are you from? Hello. We should meow string only. I don't think so. We should do this meowing string when we hit 5k. I don't think so. Hello, Earthmire, how are you? Hello, Dono. Cute. Dono cute. Cute kitty. So, this one is really simple when you get it. What we have here. No, I did not say this. What do we have here? So the matrix have the line and column same, literally same size. So it's perfect. The perfect square. Then it's just last logic. Like we'll add some more numbers, random numbers. Just so I show you guys. Let's take a 4 matrix. So the size here is 4. Um, you just need to see like here. The first one is 0 and 0, so 0 and 0. Next one is 1 1. Next one is 2 2, 3 3, and this goes to infinite. You can have infinite things here will be the same index for both, right? On the right side, it's kinda that, but not like that. But it's not. It's the inverse thing. So when you go to the 0, you need to go. You need to go to the maximum length. Then when you go 1, you go max length minus 1. Then minus 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0. This one's less 0, less 1, less 2, less 3. So it's kind of the column index. You get the maximum length and subtract the index you are on the column, and you get the right to left diagonal. That's how we did it. So we have the left and the right sum. We do this 2 times. One is for getting. We can do this. Hmm, you can do this on the right sum too. We don't need this thing. Can do this everything here. Why plus minus 1 here? Because we start at 0, but the size is not the 0 one. Not start at 0, start at 1 when we are talking about size, but the index starts 0. That's why the 1 here. We can just do this to make more easy to read. So it's even better. It's even better. Just 1/4. You can do this. Bro, I'm so happy. 2 2. I'm not cute. How are you? I'm fine, you do. You are cute. Tap the button, use it as proof. Um, I didn't say yes. Let's go! Let's go! So, I think we're done here with this one. I think this is the better way to do, I guess. Maybe have some crazy way, but it's the logical way to do. So what is math.aabs? Is the absolute number. So whatever is the left sum, who is the higher one, or is the right sum, who is the higher one? We don't want to know. We just need to get the absolute difference. So we don't want the negative numbers. We just whatever side is bigger is higher, bigger, don't bigger, higher. We don't want to know, so we use math abs to do this. Nothing the good old AI voice stuff can fix. Well, I have the original video, so I did not say bigger. No, I did not. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. Sorry. Sorry. Pen, sorry. Hello. Hello, Carlos. How are you? How are they? How your day is going? Anyone have any question here? I can move on to the next one. Hello. Don't you have your set white vibes? I don't think so. Yeah, there. Yeah. Mm. Okay, let's move to the next one. And that was My night was horrible. I was trying to install Windows 10 in a computer. Why you wanted to do that since Windows 10 is not going to get support anymore? Just for, I know, so many problems. How? How? Bro, what, 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 what do I need to do here? What do I need to do here? Oh, freak. Can I skip this one? That's for real now. Can I skip this, please? What? How I can do this? I couldn't install 111, don't know how. So my last attempt was Windows 10. Just install Linux. If you're having problem with Windows, probably it's better way to go to Linux, I think. Let me try to understand this one, then we just skip this one. I just want to understand what we need to do here. Quickstart was a running time of analog, and but there are algorithms that can sort even faster. In general, this is not possible. Most sorting algorithms are comparison sorts. They sort a list just by comparing the elements to one another. So, what this thing is saying, what this text is saying, if you have it to so if you want to sort this, you need to go like to um so you can do like you can split this. You can split this into yeah, forget about it. But we need to compare the things. Like we can split this to another one. I don't remember how to do this sort of thing. But it's kinda two, five, 10. Something like that. And he goes to all the numbers like then 2, 3, then 2, 7, 11 to... you get it. So here we're going to compare the things and see which one is higher than the other one or lower than the other one, and is going to sort this. We do this on writing, not on code writing, is way lower than the computer doing this. When does this bug it? Try 11. When 10 is buggy. Try 11 because the update on some other was work when 10. And the guys behind me, he doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, well, it's not for you. Oh, okay. For you? For... I don't know how to... For real. I'm not a kitty. It's just my headset who had kitty ears. Did he discard kitty? I'm not discard kitty. I'm not a kitty at all. Now that I have Winter installed, I will just update to Win 11. Oh, okay, nice one. That's pain. Yeah, yeah, that's pain. So we stop it here. I compare the items one to another. A compare start algorithm cannot beat an x long log n. Worst case running time, since n x log n represents the minimum numbers of comparisons needed to know where to place each element. For more details, you can see these notes. Oh, I think here is have a draw. Of no, don't have a draw. But it's kinda what I was saying. You need to go to compare the 2, 5, and 2, 3, 3, and 2, 7, right? Then you need to go five minor than 3 and 3 no 5 minor than 7. This one don't exist. And you do this again. 3, 7. What this will do with the array? Oh, It's like this, what they could do when they do a sort. Then you can split at the middle when going sorting both. You can do this, but it's kinda like that, the logic. Let's continue here. So another sorting method is decoding sort. Does not require comparison. Instead, you create an integer array whose... Oh, okay. Maybe we can do this. Whose index range covers the entire range of values in your array to sort. Each time a value occurs in the original array, you increment the counter at that index. At the end, run through your counting array, printing the value of each non-zero value indexes that number of times. Okay, so we have 0, 0, 0. And you get the frequency. Okay. This values can be used to create a sorted array as well. Sorted equals 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's not that hard, but bro, it's... Oh, frick. How I can do this? So in this sample we have 10, 100. We have 100 numbers, 100 numbers. We need to get the frequency of the numbers. Eliminate the 0 ones. Okay, I think I get it. But it's kinda hard to do this. But I think it's not that hard to do. Let me try this. So what we need to do here is like we will do a new array. So array. Here will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then he goes like so this is what we need to do. We need to get an array of size of 10. In that case is 100, but for simplify this example, we're going to 10. So we have 10 elements there. So when we get the 2 one, so unsorted array 0, then 1, not 1, 1. We start at 0, so we have 9. Okay. 1. Start with 0. So then 1 is the unsorted array. Index 1 will have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you get it. When we have the 4 one, when we get the last element, then will be 2 here. Okay, I think it's more simple than I think it. So sorted array. I don't remember how to. Oh. And we go to the farm. Is done. Rape. Nice. Okay. Okay, something is not working. Let me check one thing here. Yeah, something is wrong on my code. Let me see. Kinda duplicating. Okay, maybe this will explode everything, but I need to know what's going on here. Literate. don't get it. It's literally working, but wow, okay, I get it. I get it, I think. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. I have the double elements. That's really concerning me. Let's have this one have the double elements. Can you use the GPT for this one? Hello, iBox. Hello, Sayuri. How are you? How are your days going on? Hello, Ari. Just Englishes today? Yeah, just English. I came from the future to say this year started a new mondial order. Okay, Bugs, okay, if you say I will believe you. I will believe you. Bro, why is doubling? Oh, frick. Maybe this is why. Okay, okay, I forgot to remove the old one. Let's go. Let's go. I was just adding it. It was not replacing or removing the other one. Maybe I can just use the replace thing. or not. Whatever. We can just remove the thing. We can just remove the old one and put the new one and let's go! Let's go! I'm so happy. I'm freaking happy. Because I solved this one. This looks like a complex one, but it's really simple. Again. Yes, Cody, English, cat boy. I'm not cat boy. I already say this. Why is it Discord kitty? What is Discord kitty? Do know? What is Discord kitty? Nice, let's go. Let's go. So what we need to do is literally what I draw in here. Literally that. So we just need to go to populate our array with zeros, like I did here. And this all you populate with zeros. If you do this, you just set the limit, but not the value. So since it's just 100, I limited to 100, but you still need to put the result, the zero here, so you can populate. Why my string? Why? Internet. Bro, why internet's rolling today? Why it's going on? I don't know. You play Valorant and you don't know what Discord kitty is? I don't know what Discord kitty is. Send it to me. So we solve it. We need this. I don't know where we stop at that, but I will say everything again. So we need to set everything to 0 because if we when we do the get thing, he goes to the right index, but he don't find a value and he returns then Java returns a error. So that's why you need to populate with 0 everything. We can put a handler here if don't find the value it just set to 1, but whatever. This way is more simple. Then we need to remove, because if we don't remove, he just go add one more result and we'll duplicate everything. Will be very chaotic because every time you will put one more element. So you need to remove the old one. First you save it, the new value, remove the old value, and then you add at the same index, you put the result value you calculated before. That's how you solve this problem. Looks way harder, but for real it's kinda simple when you get it, when you understand what you need to do. Any question here? Everything is following what I'm saying, or you have any question? The streaming is running. I think it's running. The one talk on the chat for a little. I was concerned. Hey yo? Okay, okay. It's not. I encoding, so. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So let's go to the next one. Mock test. What? Wait, what? Okay, one question. Flipping the matrix. Flipping the matrix. Let's go. So it's literally that. Flip the freaking matrix. We already did something like that. So reverse row. Okay, we need to. What? No, let me see if I understand this. Sam Sam invented a game involving a 2-1-2-1 matrix, which where each cell of the matrix contains an integer. He can reverse any of its rows or columns any number of times. The goal of the game is to maximize the sum of the elements in the NXN submatrix located at the upper left quadrant of the matrix. Okay. Given the initial configuration for K matrices, help Sham arrest the rows and colors of each matrix in the best possible way so that the sum of the elements in the matrix upper left quadrant is maximal. What the upper left? This one. So he did this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, and then 4, 2, 1, 3. Oh, okay. Okay. Maximum sum is 4. Start out with the following 2, 1, 2 matrix. Perform the following operation to maximize the sum of n x n submatrix. The upper left quadrant. Upper left is this one. So he just reversed the row 0. I totally don't know how to do this. How the heck I can do this? Bro, I totally don't know how to do this. Maybe it's combining the three exercise, like I need to make the thing of the sort thing, but I don't think it will be the best way to do that. Anyone have idea of how to start this one? I'm totally lost. So what do you need to do here? He's going to give us a matrix. Then we will need to get the upper left, upper left quadrant. Upper left is this one here, this one here. So we have 4 quadrants on this case, but the quadrants is the literally the, how can I say that? It's going to give us an n. This case is 2, and we will double it for left and down. That's how we get the matrix 2 and 2 and so we can get n and double it. Okay, that's the part was the easy one, even they already do this for us. The problem is n is the size of the quadrant, and then we have always 4 quadrants. And what we need to do is get the higher number, the quadrant, just reversing the matrix, the columns and lines. But the thing is, how we know what column and line reverse? That is the problem. I don't know how to get it, how to do this. Oh, okay, I know now. Bro. It's way simpler. Okay, if I learn right, what we need to do here, bro, I want to get a print of this, but what we need to do here is the get the column and lines of the quadrant, right? When we'll have the sum of the quadrant, the column and line quadrant. When we will compare the quadrant with the other ones in each line and column. If the sum of the line or column of the quadrant is higher, we reverse it. Never do this again. Do what? Check the emulator. Let me check it. Start getting refers to our user on the Discord app who receives a premium subscription to the Discord coordinator as a gift from another user. Often a man to a woman. This user is a friend of the internet language that combines the name of platform Discord with kidding, which can reference to oh, okay. Okay, this is a Discord kidding. Okay. Bro. Yamoan? Sorry. I will not do this again, but I I just I just have a great idea how to fix it, how to resolve this problem. So I was bro, bro. I want to yell. I kind of like it. What do you mean? Meow. Okay. Now what? How we can do this with code? I already have a matrix here that we can play with. So what we need to do now is kinda of quadrant, upper left quadrant. So the upper left quadrant we have the line 1 who is 0, 0 plus 0 and 1. Then we'll have line 2 who is 1, 0 plus 1, 1, right? Then we have the column 1 with the 0, no, 0 and 0 plus 1, 0 equal to 1, 1 plus is 1, 0, oh, 1 and what? Let me think. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then it's the 2 or 0 we get 2. 2, 2, 2 and 3. And okay. 3 and 2. 3 and 3. 2, 2. Okay. Here is 2. Oh, it's not 2. Okay, okay. Forget about it. Forget about it's not this. Let's get back to line 1. It's not this. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry. Sorry. Since we already finished this one, I will put it on the other part. Okay. So line 1 is 2. Column 2, line 0, 2. So here is 0 and 0, right? Then down left, call plus 2 plus n. Equals 0. Then down left is call plus n. Then upper left is line plus n. Upper right, then down right, n plus n. Okay, now I just need to know what is n, but it's easy to know. Okay, I think I get it. How to get the best lines. So we are starting with that, then after that we try to sort. We don't know what n is for, so let's see, self out ready. Okay, this one is could be easier. So what do I need to do now? When I less than matrix dot size plus of course I will get the quadrants, so I know, I think is lower, not down. Lower. I don't know. Uh, upper, lower. Or left. Okay. Just lower. Okay, so the upper left goes to matrix. Yet. No! No! I ran out of time. No! I was almost solving it. I was almost solving. I can sleep now. This is the basic one. What the? Bro, I want to see the result. Frick. Frick, who's the altered account? Nah, forget about it. I don't want anymore. I don't want anymore. I'm so sad now. I want to finish it. So, what do you guys think? We stop now or we continue? We can stop and do a little chat, and I go back to the other problems and and how I can say it. And I explain in Portuguese if you guys want to, just to understand what I was doing if you don't understand. But if everyone understand what I was doing on the on the past tests, I will not do that. I can. Do you guys want with talk in Portuguese or English? It's all up to you guys. All up to you. Today is your string. I'm just here solving a little problems in English. Let's keep on English. Okay. German. I can't talk German, so sorry. One more little problem here. I want to solve one more just because the last one didn't didn't have time to. I can't finish it on the time. Let's go Japanese. Ah, bro. I don't know how to say Japanese, how to speak Japanese. I don't even know how to speak Portuguese. Okay, last one. Ohayou gozaimashita. Last one, let's go. My voice is going bruh. Okay, what we can do here? Can no, okay. They are red. Send us something to do here. I do not understand anything. It's saying AI language. Let's see what we need to do. This in this challenge, the task is to debug the existing code to successfully execute all provided test files. Okay, we need to debug this code. This beautiful code. We need to debug this. Okay. Given an array of n distinct integers, transform the array into a zigzag sequence by permuting the array elements. A sequence will be called a zigzag sequence if the first k elements in the sequence are in increasing order and the last k elements are in decreasing order, where k equals n plus 1 divided for 2. You need to find the lexicographical smallest zigzag sequence of the given array. Bro, how I can... How, how I... Okay. Let's see the example. We have an array with 2, 3, 5, 1, and 4. Now we permute the array as 1, 2, 5, 4, and 3. The result is a zigzag sequence. Debug the given function find zigzag sequence to return the appropriated zigzag sequence for the given input array. You can modify at the most 3 lines the given code. Okay, we can just modify 3 lines. You cannot add or remove lines of code. Okay, I can just modify. Okay, the first line contains t, the number of test case. The first line of each test case contains n, denoting the number of array elements. The next line is the elements. Okay, let's see what's returning now. How we can fix it. Our output don't output. Okay, that's a problem. How I can debug this if it's not returning anything? Array index out of bounds exception. 7. So no. I just want to refactor everything here, but okay. We need to find the 7. So let's log. Probably something really simple we need to do. It made this form and then 7 made this form temps 5. How? This will be a loop. What do we need to do here? It's temporary. Esta start end. Okay, there is a start and there is ending. Think start plus one and then plus one. First was plus one, but it's not plus one. It's a zigzag thing. Zigzag. Why start at the mid? At the mid. Why is not N? Bro, I don't know how to fix it. Okay, don't. What do we need to do here? 2, 1, 3. Yeah. Round this. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 4. 2, 3, 5. No. 2, 3, 5, 1, 4. 2, 3, 5, 1, 4. So we have the indexes. And a 7. It's not right, this one. Seven. Mid is 4. Mid is 4. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's okay. Why temp's 5? What we do with temp? Temp is the next one. Okay, temp is the next one. I think. Temp and 1. Huh? Temp is the mid. Okay, temp, mid. Okay, I get it. I get it. The first thing, I get it. Okay. The problem here is this one. We already do the thing. We do this. There's a loop here. What we need to do here? What we need to do here is what we need to do here is what we need to do here is to get that array and transform it on this one. So we start with the mid. The mid need to be the last one. Okay, I think I get it. We start at the mid and we need to reverse. Start at the mid. So mid plus 1, it's not mid plus 1, it's just mid. It has 1. 1. The 3, 4. If mid, oh it's 4, okay. It is mid. Start is on the mid. This starts on the mid. Four, 5, 6, 7. You need to go one by one. Oh, the debugging is worse than do the thing. Bro. Let me see here. Temp is index 5 with 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we need to do is to get the last one and the that was confusing man. Okay. So A mid who is 4 goes to N problem. There is the problem why I was not understanding. Oh, because I put the index wrong. So query A mid equals to A n minus 1. So mid is the 4 index. Okay. So this one will be 7. A minus 1 will be 7, will be the temp. The temp is the mid. Do you speak Portuguese? I speak Portuguese. I kinda fluent on Portuguese. That one the word we use so much I like right now. What do you mean with that? Oh. A mid equals to minus 1 what to the college. Oh, okay, okay. It's because now have AI. Before don't have AI. That's the only thing. So what we do now? A and last one. So now the result is kind of like this, but the last one will be the temp. The temp. Oh, okay, it's a mid. So 6 mid. The 4. Five here. I'm getting. I understand where we need to go now. So we need to do a loop now. Who will do this thing here? So we have this one. We need to get this result. So what we need to do is make steps. Step 1. Step 1. Where I did it. Now we need to go to the step 2. Step 2. And we will do like the same here. We have the temp. The temp will be the index 5. So temp will be index 5. Index 5. 6. And 6. In index 6 will be 5. There is a problem because if we do this, the results will get index 6 it will be 5. So no, index 5 will be 6. It will be tempo will be 6. West ST who is index 5. The ED. So this one. And ED will be 6. Now, what you need to do if we continue with this logic, so now one. This will be the result. Now we need to get this. Temp will be X. When we get to this one, what we need to do is move the 7 to 4. Then remember, just have the temp and we can change the things. So to do this, temp will need to be 4. Oh, this is so confusing. You are on another level doing annotations on code challenge. When I grow up, I want to be like you. No, bro. This is the starter thing you do. When you get better, you don't need to annotate the things. This is why I'm just doing that because I don't know what to do. That's why I'm doing this. We can just move 2 at a time. So here we change it to 6 and 5. And with we change the 7. No. Seven, 6. 7, 6. Then the ending will not do anything. If I do this, need to stop at the mid, right? This is wrong. Temp. Is wrong. The thing here is the temp. So freaking confusing. So ST is 5. It is 6. ST is 5. Five will be AD. AD is index 6. So if index 5 will be 5. And index 6 will be 6. That's what happened. So continue with this to the problems on the start. The problems on the start. Because what we need to do here is get in 7 and go to the 4. If we do another way, if we do like 4, do like 7, or and then 6 to 5. The problem is on the start. Is mid. Let me just can change just 3 lines. So 1 and there will be a problem. So almost there. I need just change one more line. almost there. We get the right thing on the 4, but we're not getting the 7. Who starts the 7? The ending. The ending. The ending is okay. The problem is the AD. The first AD problem. First AD. First. Plus 1. Binary word is not. It's not. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. So before everything starts, the array is this one. Then 5 goes to the position where it needed to be. Seven. So the problem is Esta is it's okay. It's fine. What if we do this? This will be error. The problem is on the temp. Can't add in. Temp. It's the emit. Temp is okay. I totally don't know what to do now. I totally don't know. Because don't make sense for me this. Someone have some suggestion to fix this one? like without running anything, just the beginning. It's this one. Then forward. Why the 7 is not going to the mid? Why is the 7 is not going to the mid? Who sets the 7 is the AD. So there is last one, I think. Yes, I figured it out. Oh, it's the wrong answer. One, two, three. What the f- have a small one? Something's wrong here. You know what? I don't want this challenge anymore. Let me just to we know how to fix it. Just 3 lines and I don't get it how to fix. The mid is wrong. The mid is wrong. Really? That's all the problem? Bro, no freaking way. Bye bye Dante. Thank you so much for watching the stream till now. Bro, I will never, how can I say this? I never figure out the mid was wrong. I was thinking the mid was like okay, it's okay. It's one for the right and it's fine. It's right. I will never think the mid is wrong, bro. I will never think. That's why anything I was trying to do was not working. The mid is wrong, bro. I should pay more attention. I should, but bro, good night, rest well. Thank you, thank you. This one just destroyed my mind. Maybe if I was little rest, not doing like 3 other challenges before, maybe I can do this. But I even if I rested, I don't think I will try to sense the mid. The mid is something who I was not expecting to be wrong. So there is. I didn't finish the last challenge, but I did the other 3 ones, so I'm happy. I'm happy. I The other one who I didn't, it's just because literally the the time was over, and you know I can't finish it. But this one was just pay more attention. I was like, bro, it's just 3 lines. Why I can't figure out what 3 lines I need to fix, bro. Ah! And okay, this happens sometimes. Look, if you look the success rate is really hard because people try a lot and not not solve it because the array they give to us it's very complicated because you don't, how can I say this, you don't see any logic just to look at it, but there is, guys. Hope you like this stream. It's a special stream. I literally burn my brain. I fry it. I melted my brain trying to speak English and do the logic problems, solve the logic problems. You can see my brain's not working anymore. So really hope you guys like it. Maybe this will never happen again. I think. I can't promise anything, but uh, for me it's kinda fun stream. I like it, but I think miss a little bit of the chat, the chat participating. So that's why I don't know if I will do this in other times. Maybe yes, maybe not, but probably not. Anyone want to say something? You like it? Nice, nice. So, guys, give like to this stream if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. The streams start at 8 p.m. but every day is Portuguese stream. So if you know Portuguese, maybe if you don't know Portuguese, maybe we will never see again. Or but you can join our Discord if you want to talk in English. Don't worry, we'll talk English there. It's just a stream who is Portuguese. So bye bye guys. Rest well. Rest well. See you tomorrow. See you out tomorrow. Bye bye.